gently, going somewhere I don't know. And the picture I am seeing is an image bright as snow. There's a white bird in my future, and she points me to the north. I am moving very slowly, and I am surely venturing forth. White bird, won't you lead me? I'm a man who's lost his way. If you're traveling in my direction, I will come to you one day. There's a white bird on the rooftop, resting softly stop there for an hour, though her work is never done. White bird, won't you lead me? I'm a man who's lost his way. If you're traveling in my direction, I will come to you one day. There's a white bird flying solo, and she carries what she needs, going lightly in the moment to the children